In this session, we'll try to configure Python environment in our system to work with OpenAI. So first thing is I have installed Python version 3.11.5. I can check it with Python hyphen version command. This seems to be most compatible with all the APIs. That's where I have this version. Next is I'm using venv to create virtual environments. Virtual environment will help keep all of the spaces separate for each demo. For this one, I've created this virtual environment inside OpenAI directory. So what it will do is it will create a directory called 001 OpenAI demo inside OpenAI, right? Inside which there will be all of these files. Now, if you try to activate this virtual environment, you'll face this issue. This issue will come if you are trying to run scripts via PowerShell for the first time. So you can run this particular command to fix this particular issue, and then try and run activate again. So this time when I ran activate, it ran fine. This activate is available under scripts activate. That's what we are running here, right? Next thing is for this demo, we will need only two APIs. One is langchain hyphen OpenAI. Another one is Jupyter Lab. We'll be using Jupyter Lab as our IDE. You can use VS Code or whichever IDE that you prefer. So I've used quiet and upgrade options here in both the package installations. And then to run Jupyter Lab, I just ran Jupyter Lab. That's it for the Python configuration. See you in the next one.